The YouTube summary tool is a little bit different from some of the other tools in the Hix.ai browser extension. When you go to a video on YouTube, if you have the extension running, you'll see a Hix.ai summarize video button near the upper right corner. If you click on summarize video, it will give you a summary of the video, and then it will generate some highlights, and we'll jump ahead to the point where the highlights are generated. So once it generates the highlights, you'll see the highlights from the video, and you'll have a timestamp next to each highlight, and you can click on that timestamp to jump to that point in the video. If you click on Click to Expand, you'll see the details of that portion of the summary. When all the highlights have been generated, if you want to, you can click on Continue in Chat, and that sidebar will open up, and you'll see the summary of the video. You won't see the highlights and the timestamps because you can only get to those in YouTube, so it'll just be the summary of the video.